YouTube, Engineer Boy 100. Today's video is on how to remove the third brake light on a 996 Turbo. As you look at the vehicle, on the right hand side of the light there's a little tab right here. Okay? That tab lifts out, and I'll show you how to do that right now. To remove that tab, simply take a screwdriver and gently insert it into the slot and pry up. It will come right out. I'll show you that again because it kind of popped out. Insert the screwdriver and gently pry up. It will come out. Now, the next phase requires you to understand what's going on underneath. These two little feet are locked underneath some metal tabs. In order to pull this out, you must rotate this portion so that it'll come straight out. When you look at it from the top, you'll see this slot. Okay. You must turn that slot so that it is 90 degrees. Okay. Once this is 90 degrees, this end will lift out. Now we need to go to the car to see how to take the other end out and remove the electrical connector. Turn the clip 90 degrees in the counterclockwise direction and lift the right side of the light straight up. Now you simply depress the tab on the electrical connector and pull gently on the light to unplug the electrical connector. I'll show you the electrical connector once the light is out. This is the electrical connector, and I place the screwdriver here to depress the tab and to hold it so that I can pull with the light.